Hey there fellow car nerds, welcome back to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here with a new kit car vehicle video showcasing some of the hottest vehicles available for sale across North America this week. You'll find links in the video description below for each of these vehicles. Alright, enough talk, let's get on with today's kit car vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1976 Invader GT, listed for $8,000 US in Plantation, Florida. It's been driven 50,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1976 Invader GT fiberglass kit car by AutoKit, sitting on a 1971 Volkswagen Beetle chassis with a 1641cc, running and driving very well, still has original paint and interior, not interested in trades. And up next we have this 1933 Ford Roadster, listed for $39,000 US in Caledonia, Ohio. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, this car runs and drives good, fresh 383 stroker and TH350 transmission, leather interior, 90 miles since built, fiberglass body, modified stock chassis that is boxed, $39,000, or possibly trade for a Grand National or other old vehicles. Alright, this was also in my latest Weird Cars video because I've never seen a Ferrari kit on a Miata. Here we have a 1993 Mazda Miata listed for $16,500 US in Palmetto, Florida. It's been driven 49,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, one of 1,000 Ferrari kits ever made for the Japanese market. Lots of extras, oil cooler, AC, tilt hood, super reliable. I drove to the West Coast without issues. Very fast car, new tires, etc.
Don't play games with me, Ty. Put that steering wheel over here where it belongs and get this out of here.
Okay, here we have a 1923 Ford Model T Touring, listed for $19,999 US in Wimberley, Texas. It's been driven 3,864 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, one-of-a-kind custom four-seater, titled as a 1923 Model T, 1993 build, 450 horsepower Chevy 327. It's not a perfect car, but shows well. Not at all interested in trades. And here we have a 1971 Classic Motor Carriages Classic 359, listed for $18,000 US in Lewes, Delaware. It's been driven 582 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, Classic Motor Carriages Classic 359, fiberglass body mounted on a modified Volkswagen Beetle chassis, 1600cc dual port, flat 4 paired with a 4-speed manual transaxle, dual carburetors, 4-wheel disc brakes, front and rear lap belts. Alright, if I had a pick today, this one would be it, but of course it's way out of my price range. Here we have a 1967 Backdraft Racing AC Cobra, listed for $75,000 US in Nashville, Tennessee. It's been driven 3,623 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1967 Backdraft Racing Roadster AC Cobra, 427 cubic inch big block, manual 6-speed transmission, all gauges and electronics work, garage kept and routinely maintained. Okay, here we have a 2021 Exomotive Exocet, listed for $18,000 US in Abilene, Texas. From the seller's description, 2021 Exomotive Exocet kit car, built using a 2001 Mazda MX-5 Miata as a donor car. I will consider trades or trades plus cash. Some examples I would be interested in: Corvettes, motorcycles, trikes, classic cars, older trucks, AE86, Honda S2000. The engine in this car is a 1.8 liter inline-4 with 5-speed manual transmission, Corbeau racing seats with 4-point safety harnesses. Please note there is a small dent on the hood and some scratches around the exterior. And here we have a 1963 Volkswagen Dune Buggy, listed for $8,500 US in Glenwood, Indiana. From the seller's description, Dune Buggy, strong and fresh motor, tires are like new, it seats 4 people, street legal and everything works as it should, 90,000 miles, 8,500 or best offer. Alright, here we have a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle 1.8T Classic Convertible, listed for $7,000 US in Elk River, Minnesota. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description. Air-cooled 1200cc, 4-speed, fun car, but it's not a fast car. Alright, bringing up the rear, we have this one that's a bit of a project. Here we have a 1953 Jaguar XK120, listed for $12,500 US in Woodruff, South Carolina. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. A great project for someone. Most of the hard work is done. New wiring harness with all new gauges, has Mustang running gear, freshly rebuilt C4 transmission behind a V6 engine, brakes have been gone through, new exhaust system from manifold back. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.